you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video because I have a new unboxing for you guys. Today we are going to be unboxing two different boxes by BEAUTEQUE, which is a monthly subscription website, and they also offer different beauty products and things on their website. So they were kind enough to send over their mask Maven box as well as their BB by BEAUTEQUE box. They have some specials running through the Black Friday and through the holidays. Some really great gifting options if you guys are interested in that. So I have more information about those for you guys in this video today, as well as unboxing these two boxes for you. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about the BEAUTEQUE monthly subscription service options, as well as hearing about some of their Black Friday deals and some of their holiday gift ideas, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, Black Friday is just around the corner. I cannot believe we are already less than a week away. I can't believe in just a few days we'll be chowing down on some turkey, if that is your jam, some stuffing, sweet potatoes, pumpkin pie. I am so excited. But then we have Black Friday. So I know I'm super excited about Black Friday. Black Friday is typically when I start my holiday shopping and things like that. And Cyber Monday, again, is also just around the corner. So, like I said in the introduction, BEAUTEQUE was kind enough to send me two of their boxes that they're offering for this holiday. This video is not sponsored. I'm just here to share with you the boxes, some of the information, and then what is inside. So I'm just going to read from my notes so I don't forget anything. But the BEAUTEQUE retail site is offering a couple of different cool things for the holidays. So number one, they're going to be offering a sheet mask vault collection, which is amazing, especially for those skincare junkies or sheet mask lovers out there. I know I personally love sheet masks. I am subscribed to Faith Story. I get loaded up on my sheet masks every single month. So I would love something like this. They have three different options. There's 3 sheet mask gift sets. One contains 25 sheet masks, one contains 50 sheet masks, and one contains 100 sheet masks, which is crazy. There's a large variety too amongst those, so there'll be minimal overlap amongst each of the vaults. So BEAUTEQUE also offers skincare, beauty, and makeup items, and there will be a variety of products available on their website for up to 65% off, so definitely check that out. They are also going to be doing spend and save discounts, so you get 15% off a purchase of $30 or more, 20% off a purchase of $50 or more, and 25% off a purchase of $75 or more. And then finally, they're going to be offering buy one get one free on select beauty and makeup items, so definitely check out their website on Black Friday. You don't need a coupon code, you don't need a coupon code for any of that. It will just automatically come off. I will leave the BEAUTEQUE website in my description box down below in case you're interested in checking it out. Now getting into the BEAUTEQUE monthly subscription service options. So first, they have the Mask Maven option, which typically retails for $13, and you get 9 different sheet masks in it. But they do have limited edition premium subscription services for the holidays. So they have the limited edition Mask Maven box, which is going to retail for $15, and you're going to get 15 different sheet masks inside the Mask Maven box. This is a great option for a gift, you guys. And then they will also offer the limited edition BB by BEAUTEQUE, which it offers 8 different skincare, body care, and makeup items in here. Both boxes will contain some of the fan favorites from the site over the last year or so. And then for an additional fee, they will offer gift wrapping, so your boxes can come all beautifully gift wrapped. No work for you. You just toss them under the tree or whatever, and they are ready to go. In case you're interested in giving a subscription as an option for a gift, they are going to be offering some deals on their monthly subscription services. So you'll get 40% off month-to-month subscription, 35% off the 3-month prepaid subscription, and then 25% off the 12-month prepaid subscription plan. So some really great deals happening over at BEAUTEQUE. You guys should definitely check out their website. I was looking at their website before they sent over this stuff, and I know there's some really awesome looking K-beauty items on their website that they offer, and K-beauty is so trendy right now, so I'm really excited to see what's inside these boxes. So let's go ahead and jump into what's inside. I want to start with the Mask Maven box because hello, I love sheet masks, and this is just right up my alley. So this is what the box looks like, and then you open it up And it looks like this. This little card right here says Premium Mask, Maven Limited Edition 2018. And then you open it up and it shows you all of the different masks that are included in your box. And then on the back, it also offers a 30% off month-to-month subscription with code Premium Box. So I'll leave that in the description box for you guys below. And it talks about the other beauty box option that they offer as well. So we're just going to open this right up and see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so right off the bat, we have this Soft Care Foot Pack, Foot and Heel Peeling Mask. I have never tried a foot sheet mask, if you will, and I've actually really been interested in trying them. They kind of scare me just because I think of like, oh, like your foot skin shedding. But I'm definitely gonna give this a try and see how this goes. It looks like it's basically like a sock you put in your foot and then you wear it possibly into the shower and then you have smooth feet. I'm on my feet so much, I feel like this will only last me like a small amount of time, but hey, if I like it, then I can go order more. Next up, we got an Annie's Way Ginkgo and Seaweed Anti-Wrinkle Eye Mask, and this almost, so this looks like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but it looks like one of those like masquerade masks, and you put it on that way, so that's actually really cool. I've never tried a mask like this before, so that's awesome that we're getting sort of different masks, not just like your everyday typical sheet mask. So then we have the SOS My Lip Patch. So we're getting a lip mask pack, which is awesome. I just used the last of mine up a couple weeks ago, so I definitely need another lip sheet mask thing, if you will. Then we have Then we have Tony Mollie's Panda's Dream Eye Patch. So some more eye patches, which these actually look like they cover your whole eye. That's kind of cool. Really cool, actually. I like that we're getting like, I've never seen any of these masks before thus far in any of the previous like Face Story boxes that I've gotten, and I've gotten quite a few. So love that they're mixing it up. Ooh, okay, so then we have a hand care pack as well. So we are getting a really great variety of sheet masks here. It says moisturizing and supplies nutrients to the hands. It looks like it's basically gloves that you leave on for 30 minutes and then take off. So that is really cool. Next up, ooh, we have a Soda Bubble Mask Brighten Fruit. This is a bubble sheet mask. I love bubble sheet masks. I think they're so cool. I love bubble masks in general. I don't know, if you guys have any good recommendations for bubble masks that you've tried, leave them for me in the description box below, because I personally really enjoy bubble masks for some reason. So really excited to be getting this one in the box. Then we have the Rose Moisture and Vitality Mask, which I'm all about a good moisturizing mask, so love this. Then we have the It's Real Squeeze Mask. This is a lime mask, which I'm gonna guess is a brightening sheet mask. Looks like this. Haven't seen this one before. It's by Innisfree. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Next up, ooh, we have a Girls on Period mask. So this says it's supposed to help with dull skin, so that's cool. Next up, we have a Honey Essence mask, which is exciting. I love honey. I love the ingredient honey in my skincare. I don't know, for some reason I'm all about it. Then we have a Pearl Essence sheet mask. This one looks super cute. I love the packaging on this. Then we have a Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask. This is a charcoal bubble mask, so that is really, really cool. Really excited about this one. Love a bubble mask, love a charcoal mask. So excited to give this one a try. I may have to try this one tonight. Another bubble mask. This is a bubble tea mask. This is supposed to be oil balancing, soothing, and moisturizing. Again, super cute packaging. Really excited to give that a try. Then we have the Leaders Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask with pineapple and coconut. This is the first mask I've seen as a repeat that I've actually seen like in a different subscription service before. So again, that's super cool that we're getting masks that I haven't seen before. I love Leaders masks too, by the way. They're really awesome. And then the last mask that we're getting in this is the My Panda Collagen mask, which I love collagen masks. And again, super, super cute packaging. So that is everything that is going to come in the limited edition mask Maven box. Again, a really great gift option for someone who loves skincare, loves sheet masks, wants to try more K-beauty. Love this, and this is definitely something that I would consider purchasing for like my sister or some of my girlfriends. And I think I may actually have to subscribe to Mask Maven on top of my face story because I just love sheet mask subscription services. So again, this one is going to cost $15. It's the limited edition box, but typically the month-to-month subscription for the Mask Maven is $13 and you get 9 different sheet masks. So then jumping into the BB by Beautique, I'm really interested to see what's going to come in this box because again, it's a mixture of skincare, body care, and makeup. So that's super cool, and I think most of it or all of it is going to be, again, K-Beauty. So again, you get your little limited edition postcard, and it's going to show you everything that is coming in this box, and then on the back it is going to give you that 30% off coupon code for a month-to-month subscription. All right, so we open it up, and this looks super cool. Some of the stuff looks really interesting. So this is what it looks like. So let's just jump right into the first thing that I see. This is the Hydra Full Solution Water Volume Aqua Gel Cream. And again, a lot of this stuff, you guys, is K-Beauty, so there's not English to like describe it, but I'm going to assume this is a gel moisturizer. It says special water formula to deliver effective hydration deep into the skin. So a really nice moisturizer, and it has the little, I'm not going to open all this stuff right away because I have so much skincare open right now, but I love myself another moisturizer in my collection because these are always nice to just have on hand to even travel with and things like that, or you know, if you run out of your moisturizer, even though I would be horrified to run out of moisturizer, at least you have, you know, extra on deck. Next up, we have this Bob Mickey Blackhead Cleanser. This is what this looks like. And let's see. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so this is what this looks like. It has this really interesting top that like has like rubber bristles on it. So, oh, Blackhead cleanser. Oh yes, I can use this on my nose. This is super, super exciting. I like feel like I have the worst blackheads on my nose at all times. The best thing I've ever been able to do for that is to like make this weird concoction with like baking soda and toothpaste, I think it is. But I'm excited to give this a try. I'm excited to see if this will work. It has like this button on the side it looks like you push, so I'm wondering if you push the button to like get the cleanser to come out and then you just like brush where you want to get rid of the things, your blackheads. Really excited to try this out. This is a really cool item. Next up, there is this, and let's see, is this a balm? It's like, oh cute, yeah, it's like a little mini lip balm. I think this is by Tony Moly, and it is just a really cute little lip balm, cute packaging. Smells nice. I'm just gonna put it on my lips. Feels moisturizing. Cute. This is something that I'll probably keep in my nightstand rather than like carry this around with me just because of the packaging. It's kind of bulky, but I am all about having extra lip balms lying around. I live in Minnesota. As you can tell, I'm in my flannel again, plaid. I swear you guys, I have like 18 plaid shirts. I'm not just wearing like the same shirt in every single video I film, but I love having extra balms around because my lips are always super, super dry, cracked, and chapped. So next up, we have this Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream, which I've been getting more into eye creams lately, so I'm kind of excited about this. So it's got cute purple and pink packaging, and it looks like you just squeeze it out. It actually, I'm curious. Ooh. So it's more like a gel-like consistency. It feels like a super thin consistency, and it feels almost more like watery than jelly. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it, so I don't know. We'll give this a try. Again, I've been getting more and more into eye creams. But I am really picky about my eye creams because I don't necessarily believe in them unless it's super special. That doesn't make sense. But anyway, we'll see if this is any good. This is by the brand Maven. Then we have this, which is a softening jelly spray. This easy to use jelly spray fully absorbs into the skin with minimal evaporation. It softens, hydrates, and brightens the skin. And so how to use, you use it after cleansing, lightly spray face and pat essence in until absorbed. Okay, so this is just a little essence. Interesting. It does actually look, well, is it gonna spray? Ooh, that does have a, like, it's not just like a water you're spraying on yourself, it's like a jelly, and then I think you can just like pat it into your face. I'm excited about this. I am all about like testing new things in your skincare routine. I don't know, I'm like always switching up my skincare routine, even though I really should just learn to like stick with what works. Super excited to give this a try. So next up, this looks so interesting to me. This is a banana mayo hair pack. And it's in like a little mayo bottle, it looks like. It has banana and egg yolk. I don't know, this looks super intimidating to me. I don't know why. Let's see. Show your locks some TLC with this intensive hair mask. This blend of banana, egg yolk, and mayonnaise works to deeply moisturize and nourish strands from root to tip. After shampooing, squeeze excess. Okay, my camera cut me off at some point, but it almost is like this is like a deep conditioning type of product, which I actually like. I'm all about deep conditioner because my hair has been through the ringer and it's still recovering from the bleaching incident I always talk about on my channel, but I don't want to remember. Anyway, so excited to give this a try, but also a little bit intimidated by it. I'm curious to see like how this is gonna smell. We'll see. More products in here. We have this charcoal modeling gel mask pack, which looks like you actually have a few steps in here, and it looks like something that you actually kind of like mix together to make your own, yeah, to make your own, oh cool, to make your own mask. It even has this cool little spatula, which I may actually keep and start using this as like a mask brush because I never have a mask brush. So it comes with a liquid pouch, a powder pouch, and then the spatula. So you mix them together and create your own charcoal mask, which I love charcoal masks. So that's really cool. That's really interesting. It is by the brand Eureka Aesthetic. And then the last product in here, super cute packaging on this. This is the Witch Piggy Hell Pure Control. Ooh, hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. It is so good for moisturizing the skin. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this just looks like hyaluronic acid, like almost like a serum. You just put it in the dropper and then you put it, I'm so excited about this. I recently, well probably in the last like 2 months, ran out of my hyaluronic acid. I usually just had pure hyaluronic acid sitting on my desk. I would pump it out every time after I would cleanse my skin at night. I would go in with my hyaluronic acid before anything else, just to make sure I was getting the most hydration out of all of my products. And I just haven't repurchased it, so I am in desperate need of a new hyaluronic acid, and this little guy is going to go right on my desk. I'm so excited about that. And that is the last product in the BB by BEAUTEQUE box. Super interesting and cool products in this, you guys. This is another one. So this is one that I think it's amazing if you want to try more like K-beauty type of products. I'm not sure whether or not they offer like skip a month, but I do feel like this is one where if you were consistently getting stuff every month, it might start to like, your collection might start to feel like too much. So this is one that I would almost wish I could get like every other month, but one that I would definitely consider subscribing to after seeing all the products that came in this box. Again, even if you're just getting it for like 1 month as like a gift, or giving this limited edition as a gift, I think it's a really, really great gift option, especially for, again, those skincare junkies out there who are really interested in trying K-beauty products. I think this is a fantastic option for them. I am super excited about both of these subscription services and definitely interested in subscribing to one, if not both of them, going forward. So you guys may see another subscription service box added to my like monthly subscription box roundup. I really enjoyed both of these boxes. You guys will have to let me know if you've ever been subscribed to either of these boxes in the description box down below. Again, I will leave the information for their website and all the deals that will be going on their website for Black Friday. I'll leave all that information in my description box down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!